everybody. My name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my online English class. Today's lesson is about levels of language. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about levels of language. So let's recap so that we can remember what we already learned. We said we have 3 types of levels of language. We have number 1, which is formal language. We have number 2, which is informal language. And we have number 3, which is emotive language. So we already learned about number 1, which is formal language. And we already learned about number 2, which is informal language. And under number 2, we already learned about 3 different types of informal language, which is letter A, colloquialism, letter B, slang, letter C is jargon. So today we are learning about number 3, which is emotive language. So here are the characteristics of emotive language. Emotive language appeals to emotions rather than the intellect. So emotive language is usually based on our feelings. A person bases emotive language on their feelings rather than logic. They don't use logic when we are using emotive language. We usually use our emotions. So we have 6 types of emotive languages. We have letter A, which is subjectivity and objectivity. We have letter B, which is fact and opinion. We have letter C, which is denotation and connotation. We have letter D, which is bias and prejudice. We have letter E, which is propaganda. And we have letter F, which is sensationalism. So today we are learning about letter A, which is subjectivity and objectivity. So subjectivity is personal and biased. So with subjectivity, it is a personal opinion and it is biased. It is based on how a person feels about something. It is not logic based, but it is based on a personal opinion. It is a one-sided point of view. So it is one-sided. It is based on one person's perspective. For example, I think she passed with flying colors. So we are using the words I think. The fact that we are using the words I think, it is based on a person's perspective. There's no facts there. It is just a person's perspective. Then we move to objectivity. Objectivity is fair and unbiased. So with objectivity, it is fair and unbiased. It is not one-sided. It takes all sides into account and is not influenced by personal feelings. So it takes all the sides into account, and you do not use your personal feelings when you are dealing with objectivity. So here is our example. Based on her marks, she has passed with flying colors. So the words based on her marks, we have a paper that proves that she passed with flying colors. So it is not biased. It is not a personal one-sided point of view, but it is based on evidence. It has evidence. It is based on evidence. It is based on other people's sides of account. So this is objectivity. Thank you everybody for attending today's class. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.